If you're still telling yourself biotech is just high risk, high reward, you're missing the part that actually wipes people out. Not the risk, but the betrayal of the evidence. Because there's a kind of loss that hurts more than a failed endpoint. It's the loss of epistemic control. The moment you realize you can't even trust what you're looking at. You can't tell whether the drug failed, whether the trial failed, or whether the company's own manufacturing system quietly sabotaged the entire readout. In the middle of the trading day on 12/12/2025, Jasper Therapeutics Inc. didn't just move, it detonated. And the detonation wasn't about hope. It was about whether the market could price trust again. Jasper Therapeutics is a U.S. clinical stage biotech headquartered in Redwood City, California, listed on NASDAQ as JSPR. On 12/2/2025, the stock traded around $2, up around 10%, while volume surged to around 40 million shares. Those are rounded numbers, but the implication is sharp. This is a company valued around $50 million with shares outstanding around 30 million. When tens of millions of shares trade in a single day in a microcap like this, that is not interest. That is the market performing triage, who is willing to hold the risk and at what psychological price. The day's tape made the argument visible. The stock opened around $2, dropped toward about $2 and below, touched roughly $2 on multiple screens, and sank toward about $2. Lower neighborhood around $2 down to roughly $2 high $1 region before ripping to roughly $3 near an intraday high around $3. Under the hood, the extremes were close to about $2 low end near $2 and a high end near $3. That kind of range in the middle of the session is the signature of a binary debate. Buyers are not calmly accumulating, sellers are not calmly distributing. Both sides are reacting to the probability that the company's story is redeemable. And to see the story clearly, you have to understand what the asset actually is. Jasper is not a diversified biotech platform with multiple late-stage shots. It is, in investing terms, a single asset credibility machine. Everything points back to one lead candidate, briquilimab. The company describes briquilimab as a monoclonal antibody designed to block stem cell factor from binding to and signaling through the CD117 receptor, also known as KIT. Now let's translate that into the two languages that matter: biology and valuation. A monoclonal antibody is a biologic drug, an engineered protein built to bind one target with high specificity. Stem cell factor is a signaling ligand. CD117 key is the receptor that receives that signal on certain